Alright, so I did a video on the PowerFit vibrating machine. Actually, I did a few videos. You can actually check them out on my channel. But I wanted to answer some of the questions because I had tons of comments and a lot of questions. Some of them were fun, some of them were funny, some of them were legit questions. So I'm gonna try to go through them right now and answer the questions, and hopefully it helps you guys out. Let's get into it. Alright, so just a disclaimer, I am not a PowerFit expert. I don't work for PowerFit. I just have the machine. I actually did a video for it, and I hope that could help people out. Obviously, it's been helping people, so I've been continuing to do it. So don't put me out there as an expert on the PowerFit vibrating machine. I am just offering advice. What I do as a lifestyle, as a job, is I am a fitness coach. So I own Befitnomenal. What I do is help people get in ideal shape without food restrictions, without having to change their lifestyle. So if you are using the PowerFit and you want to get in shape and it's not working for you, or you need something to help you out, I'll put a link below. You can get in contact with me. We can help you reach your fitness goals. But let's get into these questions. All right, so let's get into these comments. Let's see, I'm scrolling. So this is Rhonda Bracy. So if you're on my channel, you kind of had to comment. So I have had, this is what she said. So I've had to use the machine for 30 days. She said she used it 3 or 4 times a week, and I've already lost 10 pounds. She's like, have fun with it, turn on some dance music and enjoy it. Good luck. She's just kind of wishing everybody good luck. The reason I read that, and it's not really a question, is because my opinion as a fitness coach, the machine itself, if you use it 3 or 4 times a week, I wouldn't say that's going to help you lose 10 pounds. It would help assist you, but what she didn't say is what she's doing on her nutrition part. So you got to make sure you're actually eating well with it too. The reason I want to read that, because I'm not going to go through all these comments, of course, but there's a lot of people asking, will this help me lose weight? Will this help me, lose belly fat, all this stuff? Yes, it will assist with it, but when you buy the PowerFit, this car's driving by, when you buy the PowerFit machine, it actually comes with like a nutrition plan that you can follow. So use that, or just try to improve your nutrition overall. Like I said, you can reach out to me if you need help specifically, but I just wanted to say, if you're actually only using it and that's all you're doing, I don't think that's going to help you actually lose weight. It'll help you kind of get more fit. It'll help you in a lot of different areas. But losing 10 pounds, 20 pounds, 30 pounds, just doing that is not going to help you out. So
hell no to the no, no, no. Hell to the no.
Let's go on to the next one. Let me see. Somebody, Bass Dojo, said, meal plan, well, it's not for me. I'm not giving up my food, so.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Howard, this is just interesting. He said he's 70 years old and he's got the PowerFit. He was going to return it because of vibrations on his knee, and he has a torn meniscus. But he says 5 minutes using it and it didn't bother him at all, and he would use it. So a lot of people are saying it helps with them with their lymphatic system. It helps them drain out any extra water they have in their system. And if you have a lot of pain, I think this is a good machine for you. So if you have knee problems, back problems, actually go to physical therapy. Not physical therapy, actually go to chiropractor every week. And what they have me doing is standing on a vibration plate that helps like stabilize those muscles. So if you have a comment and you're asking about what if I have back issues, or what if I have a knee pain, this machine can be beneficial for you, because this is actually what they use at chiropractors. So yeah, so any other comments that I just want to read that. So let me see. Some lady Violet XF says a bit of eye candy as well. I appreciate that. Let me see. Also, if you're using the machine, you can, if you're a beginner, just slowly build your way up. So don't just start at the highest level. Chris Judd said if you push the M button on the remote, the speed jumps by 30. So first press 30, she said second press 60, third press 90. So if you press it again, it drops back to 30 and etc. So it jumps up increments of 30, if anybody was wondering on that. Another person says, I have one and I am on the keto diet. So far I've lost 24 pounds over the last month and a half. So like I was saying before, this machine is good, but you need to have a good diet if your goal is to actually lose weight or drop weight. So that was D Little 39DL. The keto diet, I got my own opinions on that, but it definitely can help you lose weight quick. What I do personally is help you lose weight. My clients see 1 to 3 pounds per week, so it doesn't seem like a lot, but it definitely adds up. I don't really like the keto diet. There's a lot of people who get on that. They tend, this is not all the time, but they tend to lose weight pretty fast, and they get all excited, and then you see them months down the road and then gain it all back. So I just wanted to say that. Let me see. Sherry says, my husband and I have this. He's 80 years old and he loves it. I'm still trying to get accustomed to it. I need to find some more questions. Let me see. A lot of people saying I just bought one. I just got mine. Donna Lee, Lordy, you're cute. I appreciate that as well. All right, I found another comment. Tammy Smith. She says, thanks for the full body workout. I've been thinking of buying this one. I'm 5'2", and seeing someone as tall as you, 6 foot, encouraged me to work for it. So she says, I'm 150 pounds and 59, looking to lose 30 pounds and for something to do at home. So I think it's a good machine for you to buy. Especially if you're 59, you might have knee problems, you might have back problems, or you just might trying to just get into fitness again slowly. So I think it's good. Like I was saying, I'm gonna keep going back to this. If you're using the machine, make sure your diet is on point too. So fitness and nutrition goes hand in hand. Some people like to say it's 80%, 20%. I like to say it's 100, especially if you want to lose weight, you want to make sure you're getting that nutrition. So Tammy, I hope you bought it, and I hope you're actually on your journey to doing it. All right, let's see. A lot of people are saying, please do more. I might need to do more workout videos on here. Like I said, I am not an expert on this. I just did a couple videos to help some people out, so maybe I will. Comment below if you want me to do some more workout videos on there. Let me know. Okay, Joanne Macon says, for beginners, what level would you suggest the vibration? I think I might have answered this a little bit earlier, so I guess it jumps by 30 every increment when you press the button on the remote. So beginners, just start with the first level, and then once you get good, press it again, and it's going to jump to 60, and then press it again to go to 90. So just slowly build your way up. I'm looking for some more. How many days? Well, honey latte, thanks for the video. I just got one and I just stand on it pretty much. How many days a week do you use it, and for how long? So I recommend, everybody's different, so I'm not gonna answer it that way. But if you just got the machine, I would just say start off with 3 days a week, 10 minutes per day. And then once you get more, better, and it feels more comfortable, do 5 days a week, 10 minutes per day. And then once you get good, you can do increments. Like, okay, I'm doing 5 days a week, and I'm doing 2 sessions of 10 minutes. So it's total of 20 minutes, but I'm breaking it up into 10, and I'm doing another 10. I've seen a couple comments like that, how many times or how many reps. So you can actually use the machine for 10 minutes, and then since you're already working out, get off the machine, do some body weight squats, do some push-ups, do some things off of the machine, so you don't only have to work with the machine. It's kind of getting you started for working out. If you need some tips or you need some videos, look at my channel. I have a bunch of body weights, things you do at home. That takes 5 minutes, 10 minutes. So hope that answers your question. All right, let me do a couple more. All right, Sandra A. She says, question, can I just stand on it and let it vibrate and still see the full fitness benefits? You guys already know what I'm gonna say about this. Of course not. You can't just stand on it and see the full benefits. That's kind of like saying, can I just go into the gym, stand there, look around and see the full fitness benefits? Or can I just get on a treadmill, stand on it, and see the full benefits? No, if you want to see the full benefits, you got to put in the full work. And what does that look like? They have a meal plan in there that is following the meal plan, or your own meal plan that's putting forth the effort, and they have the exercises in the booklet, so doing the exercises. So if you want to see the full benefit, you got to play out full and show full effort. I know you probably didn't want to hear that, but you got to do it. Let me see one more. Oh man, Caroline, I can't really read your last name, but it says, can you use this after knee replacement surgery? So I'm not 100% sure on this, but I'm sure if it's been a while after your knee replacement surgery, your body somewhat heals itself and it should be fine. But I would start off on the first level and just slowly build your way back up. All right. If you guys ain't got any more questions, or if this was helpful, comment below and let me know your thoughts. I post new videos every Wednesday and Friday, mostly about fitness and health, not about PowerFit, but I will do more. So comment below if you want me to do more. I hope this was helpful. So let me know. I'm gonna see you on the next one. Peace.